Experiencing payment problems on DoorDash? Let's tackle the common issues. If your card is declined, first ensure sufficient funds, correct card details like number, expiry, and CVV, and that your billing address matches the one on file with your bank. 3D secure failures often occur due to bank-related issues. Make sure your bank's app is up to date and you have a stable internet connection to complete the 3DS authentication within the prompt's time limit. If the issue persists, consider contacting your bank or trying a different payment method. DoorDash utilizes encryption and security protocols like PCI DSS to keep your information safe. So if you're still encountering issues, it's likely an issue with the card issuing bank or an app issue. DoorDash wallet acting up. Common problems include failed reloads or balances not applying correctly. To fix this, first clear the DoorDash app's cache and ensure you're running the latest version, 23.1 plus. For faster reloads, enable biometric verification if available. If your wallet balance isn't syncing, try relinking your payment methods through DoorDash's website dashboard. For users in areas with slower internet, wallet reloads may experience delays. If issues continue, reach out to DoorDash support. Proactive steps include using two-factor authentication, avoiding public Wi-Fi for transactions, and keeping an eye on DoorDash's official support pages for updates. In the future, look for advancements like AI-driven fraud detection and biometric or blockchain-based wallets for smoother payments.